I'm in the exhibition space of Projectability, which is actually a nonprofit founded in 1983, which allows people with mental disabilities to engage in art as a form of therapy. Approximately 200 people per week actually participate in their workshops, which are held upstairs. And the featured exhibition during the Glasgow International Biennial is this one by Nnena Kalu.
We have a number of programs for adults with learning disabilities, children with disabilities. There's lots of resources here that people can access and draw on, and a lot of expertise to sort of it's not about skill building or instruction, but it's about offering that resource so that people can discover it for themselves. But there's a huge amount of talent that is unearthed through people coming into the programme. Somebody like Nnena, who is a very, very talented artist. She's an artist that really deserves a great deal more recognition than she's got.